You are going to be absolutely in love with this macaroni pie. Aside from the cheese, these are our main ingredients: eggs, large macaroni elbows, evaporated milk, onion, and salt and pepper to taste. I have a pot on my stove with salted water that I'm going to bring to a boil, and then I'm going to cook half of this box of elbow macaroni. Cook the macaroni for about 8 to 10 minutes and then just drain it and run some cold water on it. Now's a good time to preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You can easily double this recipe by just doubling all your ingredients. It's that simple. Add kosher salt and coarse ground black pepper to taste, and then beat your eggs really well. I just wanted to mention that these 8 eggs is when I was doing a larger batch. But for the size of the oval casserole dish that I'm showing you today, I just used 4 eggs for that recipe. You want your whites and yolks really well incorporated, so this is the consistency that you're looking for. When your eggs are beaten really well, then add your grated onion. I use like half of a medium onion. Mix everything together, your egg mixture with your macaroni, cheese, and evaporated milk. You can use any of your favorite combination of cheeses. I would recommend, however, using some type of cheese that melts really well. Pour the macaroni mixture into a casserole dish that you sprayed with cooking spray. And now the final touch, just sprinkle more cheese all over the top. Place the macaroni pie on the middle rack of your preheated oven. Then bake the pie for 25 to 30 minutes or until it's golden brown on the top. Cool the macaroni pie for a few minutes before you start eating. This is another version of my macaroni pie that I just made. This one, the filling has mild cheddar cheese and a mixture of provolone and mozzarella cheese, and the topping is just plain mozzarella cheese. Now check this out as I dive into this macaroni pie. All that cheesy goodness. I have to say that this is one of my favorite versions of my macaroni pie. I love the cheesiness, and the flavor combination was amazing. And I think the large elbow macaroni really made a difference too in the texture.